Hello and welcome back to the studio where we paint away the stress of everyday life. So I've just finished a lovely seascape and I got some colours left on my palette and I thought, well, look at the colour, look at the palette.
Hey, welcome, thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive.
Just have a look at the palette. Well, you can see it's a complete and utter mess. So I thought what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of red to that. This is a cadmium red, and that's all the colours I'm using today. So I've got Prussian blue, a little bit of hooker's green, some yellow, some titanium white, some burnt umber, and some red, cadmium red, and some Mars black. Now, this is going to be as quick as I can possibly make it. Now, let me think. Yellow, 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 yellow and white, yellow and white. And let's just put some of that in very quickly. Dun, 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 dun. Yellow and white, yellow and white, yellow and white. Dun, 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 dun. A little bit of orange. So it's yellow and red. Oh, a nice dark orangey colour down there, like that. Let's get a bit more yellow into that. Bit more yellow. A bit of this lovely colour going in there. Let's get a bit of burnt umber and white. Merging it all together. Right, quick wash the brush. Let's get some more of this yellow. A little bit of white in that yellow. Bringing that down then into that. A little bit of moisture because it's drying very quickly. I want to try and get this to merge together if I can. A little bit of that orange colour back in there. Got a bit of a thing. I've got several paintings on underneath underneath this bit of cardboard. So let's get some yellow, some more yellow, a bit more white. Dum 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 dum. Bit more white. Just a mishmash of wonderful colours. It's one of those skies that's it's got cloud in it, but I think it's like an ooh, yes. It's like an African sunset. Ooh. See how things can change. You can inspire yourself very quickly. Let's put a bit of that in there, like that. Let's get a bit more of this. Blending that in there. A bit of moisture. Just chucking the colour on. I haven't got a plan as such. Just chucking that colour on like that. Trying to keep my brush from drying out too much. I want to make this a quick painting today. Yeah, I need a bit more white in there, I think. A bit more. Bit more light. Actually, that's a good idea. Let me lighten that area up there. There we go. A light white spot there. Bit of white spot there. It's just throwing paint on the canvas. Just throw it on. Have a bit of fun. Let's get some yellow up there and touch red to it. You've got to be very careful when you make orange. Make sure that you put yellow down first and then the red to it, and be very careful you don't put too much red to it. I want to make a purple, so if I add a bit of Prussian blue to this orange, that's not gone the color I wanted it to. Okay, so let's go. That's made a brown because I added yellow into that, didn't I? So basically I need, let's move this pot. Basically I need some red, some Prussian blue. Oh, that's better. Nice purpley colour. Bit more red. I want a nice dark. I want a nice dark top of this. Bringing some of that orange back in. That's nice. That's nice. Boom, 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 boom. Just have fun. Just throw some paint on canvas. See what you can come up with. I just like playing with colours sometimes. This is like not having a plan and just using the colours you've got to hand and just thinking, what can I do with them? And just throwing it on like that and seeing what happens. You'd be surprised sometimes. You'd be surprised sometimes what can happen. There we go. Oh, okay. I'm just thinking a little bit. I'm trying not to think too much because you can spoil stuff if you think too much. Let's hope this works. Let's get some white. Sahara sun. That's a white, hot, glowing sun in the sky. Let's get some burnt umber, some black. Oops, where's my water gone? Burnt umber and black. I want this nice and black coming down there. Really dark. was say desert, say African type of, what type of trees do they have in Africa? I'm not sure. Oh, I know. I've got an idea. There we go. Let's get some more kitchen roll. Bit orange. A little bit of light just hitting these rocks and stuff there, whatever they are. I don't know what they are. I'm just making this up as I go along now. And I'm just going to get some black. I'm going to re-darken this up there in the foreground. I'm just going to go mad. Proper silhouette-y type of look. Let's get some white and oh, my arm is really hurting. I don't know what I've done to my arm today. I got painter's arm. Okay, let's get some yellow. Put a light in there, like that. I don't know, but it's it's coming. I think it is. Oh, I have so much fun sometimes. Let's get a decent brush. Let's put one of them funny old wiggly type of trees. Wow. You'll know the type of tree that I'm trying to paint in a minute. Boom, 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 boom. Let's put another big almighty tree or two or three, I don't know, like this. Lions going off somewhere. Not lions, are they leopards? Leopards in Africa? Is there leopards in Africa? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure on that one. Anyway, this is only going to be a quick one, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Let's get this. up a little bit higher there. Maybe there's one coming out of there like that. I don't know. Let's have fun. Let's put a little one there. He's a little baby, just trying to get on with his mummy. There we go. Put that over there. Let's get a little bit of light. Now we'll need a little bit of light affecting that area there. Maybe there, bit there, like that. So we need to put a bit of light on there as well. There we go. Right, let's get my... hope this works. Nice black burnt umber again. Now we need to put these type of branches on this. Because that's what they look like, don't they? So the giraffes come along, and because they got the long necks, and they eat these type of trees. There you go. How do you get away with it, Clive? I don't know. I just have fun. I just have fun with my painting and my artwork. And sometimes I just look at the palette and think, what can I come up with? And when you do stuff like this, it's really good for the soul. It really is. Oh yeah. Let's get a little bit of light into these trees. A bit of light. That's a bit too much. I want more yellowy. I want a more yellow light than... That's better. It showed a little bit of green as well, and you can see a little bit of green coming through. That's what I was trying to do. A little bit of touch of green. So you've got your green and your oranges. Now that's a lovely compliment. A little bit of green there. Put a bit of grass just coming down. There we are. Maybe just a few sparkles where the light is just catching. Maybe what they call it, the prairie. Is it the prairie? I don't know. You tell me. There we go. And we're not putting seagulls in today, but we're going to put a couple of vultures in instead. There we are. There's one vulture there, and there's one vulture there. Oh, and they've got to have a little tiny friend as well. There we go.
So grab your brush, have a
Give
great
it a whirl.
time.
See what mess you can make.
And don't
Bye.
forget to click subscribe.